Captain. Why are you here?
Relay! American Cancer Society, relay!
Thank you, Robin.
Wait a minute, it is the Relay for Life of Costa Mesa, June 8th and 9th, 9th and 10th. What is it?
Costa Mesa High School.
Costa Mesa High School. 8th and 9th. 8th and 9th? Yeah. 8th and 9th, 24-hour relay. Come on out.
Cancer doesn't sleep.